This will be a very unique way to start a You Do It episode. Definitely not in front of a green screen because of the weather. Just a couple days ago, we had a big storm that rolled through Utah, and so I went down to Utah County to see what our IMT crew maybe does a couple hours before a storm hits, what they're looking for, clearing roads of any debris or anything like that. And so I met up with Dexter, and he agreed to let me do some things, and I definitely tried. Take a peek, let's see how I did. Now back to the video.
Snow.
So we want to keep the roads as clear as possible, A, for the traveling public so they don't hit a car that's on the shoulder.
Just this battery?
I think so. Well, go try to start it.
But B, we want to keep it clear for the plows so they can effectively clear the roadway of all the snow and ice.
We're going to tow him.
Tow him?
Yep.
Can I hold your light for you? This is like what I did with my dad. I'd hold the light for him. I couldn't help him, so I'd hold the light.
Safer spot. A lot safer spot.
Appreciate you guys. Yeah, see ya. Stay warm.
Yep. So we're clearing the roads, whether it be just a broken down vehicle or somebody left their car because they need a tow truck.
So date, time, location, make a vehicle, so then the next unit that stops on it knows that it's abandoned. That's it.
Clear anything and everything we can to make sure the road's safe for everybody. This is normal. Just, it changes no matter where you go. Like we've seen, we were up on I-15 driving around, nothing really happening. So we decided to come up to the canyon where it could be doing something, and we come across a crash that had just happened. Slick tires, no traction, driving too fast for conditions.
Heavy front end damage and driver's side damage. And negative injury.
If the roads are wet, it's probably slick and you'll probably slide out if you don't have good tires.
You want to throw some cones?
I want to throw some cones.
Information.
Then you guys put my coat on. Lay over this.
Just pull it.
Here?
Yeah.
How many feet? 30 feet?
Yeah, so, well, it depends on the speed.
Okay.
So on the freeway, it's every 40 feet is a skip.
I've seen you guys use flares and stuff. You don't need a flare right now? No.
Flares are kind of outdated technology.
What are you talking about? It looks so cool.
So the tow truck arrives, and we determined it was necessary to take this right lane to give A, safety, B, the room to work, and C, kind of slow people down back here and force them to go into the scene a little bit slower. Then once the tow truck clears, we'll reopen this lane, and we'll be on our way to the next lane.
Do I get the snow off?
If you want. No, you're good. Just watch traffic in case they try to pass this semi. There you go. You're remembering. You don't have to run. So now you're constantly watching traffic behind you.
Okay.
There you go.
Nick did a wonderful job throwing cones.
Okay, so traffic's moving now. We just pulled up to where the crash was. Man, look at all these rocks they hit. This is where the crash ended right here. And you'll notice, Dexter told me that it's, a couple inches from our Arwis station. This is how we get weather information, especially here at the mouth of Provo Canyon. And so if this goes down, I mean, this is just a stretch of road that we won't have any information on conditions and how we can better clear the roads, make sure people can get to their destination safely. This was caused by just going too fast, slick conditions. So make sure to drive safe, especially if a storm is here. Give yourself extra time and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. That's crazy. Yeah, that got so close.
A little expensive.
Yeah, a little expensive. Yeah, I climbed one of these.